right, that worked. Got Leroy out here, our big portable air compressor. Boy, it's really got a lot of pressure. Don't ask me how much because I don't know. I was able to blow this tube out. I had it full of corn. Last year, I'd get the planters ready. I put dad's seed plates in and not mine. I thought I had mine. I got to the field and I figured out when I got to the field it wasn't in. So, you know, this delivers the corn to the unit, and this sucks. It sucks up against the seed plate so it can turn. Well, that seed plate wasn't in, so it just sucked it up in that tube. I don't think I put it on here because I was embarrassed. But so I had a few issues last year. Once in a row, that hole will get plugged off and I have to come out and clean it out. So that shouldn't be an issue this year. So gotta get that done. And we got a new addition to the merch store this week. Got some Ivers Farms sock caps. I apologize in advance for the price. They're embroidered, so we probably should have shopped around on price. But yeah, before you go and look and fall over about how expensive they are, I know they're too expensive, but we're just passing our costs on. We're not making anything. Just if you want them, we got them. Those comments?
Oh yeah. she mentioned that whenever I got home the other day.
Alright, I'll get him strapped down. Got the next planer in here. Do most of the same things we did on the other ones. Plus a few others. These are the up-to-date for the closing wheels. People talk about a lot. It's got the newer bearings on it. There where it goes up and down. Don't have the pin that breaks. We put a grade 8 bolt with a lock nut on the other ones. Don't tighten it all the way so they still go up and down. But we're supposed to get enough for all this planer. We hope. Don't we, River? Because we're starting to throw the old ones away that we took off. So yeah. Not too many yet. So we can dig them out, I guess, again. Some things. I think we're going to be replacing some bushings in here. These kind of crazy wheel things that are on the wings. And he's going to be putting a torsion bar in between his tracks here. I think he's just going to keep them where they go straight. At least that's last I heard, unless he changes his mind. So more on that later. First, we're just going to get the units ready to go. Replacing discs, inside parts of the speed belt, speed tube, I mean, and in there. All the stuff we did on the other ones. If you want to know more about that, watch that video. Nice, peaceful shop day. Or so we thought. What? Got something to say?
I do have something to say.
You got something to say? What you got to say?
It's 23. Is that still a 10? Oh, you $50.
Oh, I didn't lose this. He does owe me $50. That's right, you do. All right. Oh, I'm in a better mood. Yeah, so we're done in the shop for now. We had like 45 minutes left to go home, but we'll show you. Over David's. And we got the leg plugged up. David, we'll get her out, dump her in the pit. When you use this leg, goes in that drag. You don't turn that drag on, it doesn't work very good. He didn't do it, he didn't do it, he didn't do it. I didn't do it. Looks like it's slowing down. Yeah, maybe not. A little bit, maybe. Well, we're back. It's the next morning. What is the day? Thursday? I think it's Thursday. Anyways, this is the auger that cross auger didn't get put on. That goes to the hopper when they went to fill it. Anyways, we couldn't get going yesterday because this downspout is plugged full. It is falling out a little bit now, so that's a good sign. Gonna take this plate off, try and break that loose, get that going, then we'll be good to go. We were able to fill Garrett up yesterday because we have another option. We can switch to this downspout right here. That's a direct load out. So finally got the leg to work using that. Climbed up, checked this, realized this was plugged. So you're fixed here in just a minute. I'm not sure if that was on time lapse the whole time by mistake or not, but second pry bar up there a little bit, beat on the side, away she went. Should just probably left this on and try to rubber sledge on it, but oh well. This is the old leg. There's the new leg. The old Glory flying on top of it. Gonna button this up and clean up our mess. This job will be done. Up. Make sure that electric wire don't get too tight. This GoPro got an hour in our battery yesterday, but now it's got 60%. I don't think they like the cold. GoPro batteries are junk. They don't last no time. At least today they're not. Had some shear bolts right here where these two augers go together. That got jammed up. Evidently broke that, so that comes coming out of the bin that we were loading out of. Yep. Moment of truth. Sure bolt's fixed. Unplugged, cleaned up. All right. Much warmer day of working today. Not because it's warmer outside, but because we're inside. Back in the shop, still working on the 2160. River's been doing most of it. Need a tarp fixed. Wilson trailer, it's done. David's gonna go get that. We pulled the old one off. We're gonna put the new one on this afternoon. Still working on the 2160. River's been doing most of that. But big news. We got a new part in. I didn't know if it'd be in yet. We're only supposed to get enough to finish this planter. It's got half of them on it right now. But we got the other half. We got the new closing disc arms. Old one here, what it looks like. And a new one. Got a bearing in there, it spins. This fits right in here to lock in or to tighten down. Got an insert right here, a spacer, and a bolt. Tighten that up. It works great. It is tight side to side, no movement, goes up and down. Whereas our bolt solution does go up and down, but it's a lot of wiggle. That can't be good for it. So it's pretty easy to change. All you gotta do is pop the old disc off. Disconnect it from the cylinder. Take your rope pin or your bolt, whatever you have on yours, out. And put the new one in. Pin back in through the cylinder. And then new disc on. And voila. Much better. Got a new one, right?
No, repaired and then beefed up where the tarp bows are.
Getting there. You got anything to say for yourself?
I could have done more, but I didn't know what to do. So.
Yeah, you know, your effort's the one thing you can control.
Well,
I'm very disappointed.
I wasn't sure what to do, so I just stood there.
Fake it till you make it, River.
Yep.
Dave is getting this side pinned down, and we'll stick this pipe through this side. River, what are you doing back there? Nothing? Whatever. I apologize for this in advance, River. Boy, that was good. Wow. You did it.
I don't know why you were going higher. You should
Yeah, you should have went down. Down would have been the better option.
But it would have been better for the video.
Yeah. Driver's mater back. There's one loaded out the side chute, one loading out the hopper, another one washing his. We're still in here working on this truck. And yeah, they're about to get it. Still working on the planter. Let's see. January contracts are almost all filled. That's good because January's about over. So, yep, that's it for this week. Want your Ivers stuff? Ivers-farms.myshopify.com. Thanks for watching. See you next week.